How I come up with this idea. One day I was scrolling the Instagram Reels and watching beautiful girls. One day I was scrolling the Instagram Reels. And I saw this 2D character video Reels and I made up my mind to make this character in 3D. So I asked permission from its owner. Lunfeng. This is his Instagram ID Lunfeng3D_artist, you can check it if you want. This is his new Instagram ID. Now we will look how I made this character in 3D. Stage 1. Sculpting. Start with sphere, then choose grab brush to block out the simple shape of character. We can see that character can be broken down in. Upper head is horizontally oval in shape and jaw area is cylinder in shape. So first start blocking simple shape. After blocking the simple shape, take the clay strips brush and on upper bar there will be plus and minus icon. Click on minus icon to dig the hole for giving skull eye socket shape. After take draw brush and gently give the nose shape, then go to side view and take the grab brush and give the nose proper shape. You can use inflate brush to give volume to the shape near zygomatic bones. Then with the help of draw brush you can sculpt the ear, and then with the help of grab brush you can shape it properly. Always keep looking every view of model you are sculpting or modeling to perfect the shape. For lips, take the draw brush and change icon from plus to minus. Then with help of pinch brush we can give shape to simple line lips. Then for neck, take the mask brush and mask out where you want to pop out your model neck. After masking, press Ctrl I to invert the mask. Slowly start shaping the character. For eyes, go to object mode and press Shift A and add the sphere, then move eyes properly by pressing G and try to fit eyes in eye socket. The help of draw brush, give eyelid shape and adjust with grab brush, which is mainly used for. Then take multiplane scrape brush to give eyelid hard shape. I love doing this, I feel satisfied. For digging nostrils, take inflate brush, change plus icon to minus and make the nostril hole, then hold shift and smooth it out. For ears, also use inflate brush to give ear proper shape. Now enjoy the video. Stage 2. Retopology. If you don't know what retopology is, retopology is the process to make geometry low in count and make proper topology. So we can decrease the load on computer, use for animation, to get polish and cleaner model, for texturing, applying material, rendering also become fast. First block out the important loop. This decide how your model structure will move, so it is important. Then fill the empty area with faces. Retopology is long process. Video will be long, so I will demonstrate only eyes area part. How to fill it. This is our low poly model after retopology. But we lost some shape of our model structure. So to get back, I used multi-resolution modifier. Stage 3. UV unwrapping. UV unwrapping is the process to flat out 3D model skin in 2D image so we can paint or apply texture on it. Stage 4. Texturing and applying material. Texturing is to give skin color, skin detail like various small spots are there on skin, etc. And material is to make model plastic, metals, rubber, etc. It's up to you what type of object we are making. Isn't it cool, you don't think? Stage 5. Adding hairs. Tell me in comments how nice barber I am. After I applied 3 points lighting, which is used mostly by photographer, in studio, cinema. Then I composite the image in Blender only to give various nice effects. Now I will show you the final result. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.